Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to remove those annoying music copyright strikes that you have on your video. So firstly, you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to your channel, and then you're going to go to YouTube Studio, and then you're going to click on videos. Now over here, as you can see that all your videos and whichever copyright strikes they have, if they have any, and as well as you can see all their various information over here. Now go into filter and click on copyright claims. Now as you can see, in the last video I had already mentioned that I had two copyright claims on two of my videos, this one and this one. So let's just go ahead and click on this and see the details, and I'm going to teach you how to remove this copyright strike. So now as you can see that the channel impact is not affected, that means it doesn't put a strike on your channel. Also, this video is ineligible for monetization. That is, if my channel gets monetized, this video will not be making any money through the ads that is shown on YouTube. Instead, that money will be going through to this person, Sony Music in UK. Therefore, it is ineligible. Also, the green dollar sign will be yellow color, just like this. And now, as you can see, the song identified in this video is this one right here, and it is gives you various information. And over here, as you can see, this is where the song has been copyrighted. So now what you have to do is you're going to have to select an action, and you're going to try to you can have these three options. You can either trim out segment, which is not really good for your video. You can replace the song, which takes a lot of work, or you can straight away go and mute the song, which is a difficult process for YouTube to handle, but don't worry, they will do it. So now when you click on mute the sound, it gives you two more options. You can mute all sound when song plays, or you can mute the song only. This process is harder and sometimes it might not work as given below. So for now I'm going to go and mute the song, and I'm going to click on continue. Mute. Okay, so now as you can see, the video is processing and the mute song is in process. Now let me assure you that this takes around a day to be processed and for the song to be muted by YouTube. So be sure to have the patience to wait for that. Anyways, we can just go ahead and close this video right here. So now the second type of copyright video I want to show you is this type of one. As you can see, the same things are over here, and also this thing over here. These are the copyright owners that have been there, and this is the song that I've used in my video right here. This is the song. Now if you see over here, when I click on select action, it only gives me an option to appeal. Now as you can see over here, I've already appealed to this request, and they have rejected my dispute, as you can see right here. So there's no use of going to appeal again. Now what you have to gonna do for this video is that you might just have to go and just delete the video right here, delete forever, or you can just download it. But be sure that some of these videos, they will affect your channel's performance. For example, this video has been generating quite a lot of views on my channel, so I'm quite partial and I'm skeptical about deleting this video from my channel, but let's see. So anyways, so what I want to show you is that, as you can see over here, my channel is just about to be monetized. So be sure you remove all those copyright strikes from your video. Okay, so now let me just say that you want to add a song to your video. The first thing you want to go and do is search for no copyright sound or no copyright music, just right here. So as you can see, for an example, I'm going to play this song right here.
Get closer. Watch the works. Don't work.
So now as you can see, the music has started. Now what you want to do is you want to go over here, and it says also in the description below, you're free to use this song but include the following in your video. That is, you're gonna have to copy this thing and paste it in your video description right here. Copy and simply paste. Anyways, so that's all I have to tell you about today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace out.